Okay, we're going up this mountain. They actually even have an elevator there. I don't know where that water is coming from.
We knew each other for 14 years.
And there's a cave here. Okay, so we're going up this in the cave. Look at this. There's some water in here. There's lots of fish. Okay, they're going up. Got this. Look at that elevator there. Everybody's going up. Okay, so we're going up. Look, all the way down there. Oh, water's leaking in the tunnel. Okay, it's leaking water in this cave. It's raining water from the ceiling up here. Watch your steps. It's raining in here. Watch your steps. Lots of steps here. Huh. They put a little cutout here.
Look in there.
Random cutout. Hey, there's a thing here. Then we got some trash cans there. It looks like that's the way up. This sign here. Going up there, they got another statue there. Here we are in the cave. Kind of dark in here. There's like a weird Ferris wheel kind of thing there.
You see the
Look up there.
Going down.
Okay, look at this. They carved it into the wall. Then they got all these. Look at the tour guide. Closer view of this scale thing. I don't know how it would work. It's not. It's like solid. We're climbing down there. Staircase will take too long. Disneyland in a cave. What? Oh, look.
You guys might want to go into the rail. This is quite slippery.
Look at that. What's happening here?
That weird kinky stuff.
What's going on here? What's down there?
There's a tiny cave in a cave.
There's a scary guy up there. They're working on it.
So if you want to explore.
There's a tiger in this cage. It's a shortcut. Somebody's being attacked over there. They carved like an alligator here. Skeletons. What is this? Oh. These tunnels are getting kind of short. Oh. Okay, we're going. What is this? Look at that. There's this thing up here. Okay, there's this. On the way back, that guy's trying to get you. And another one.
There's a statue here.
Somebody lost their phone case down here as they're sitting.
Don't wait for Brian. I don't think Brian knows the way out.
I'll wait at the outside. Yeah, this is the one where it gets too dark. Yeah, it just loops around. We've been here. So we already saw hell. Now we're gonna ascend to heaven. So let's see what's up there. There's a sign here surrounded by dragons.
This is paying respect.
Oh, Here they have another one of these. Whoa, look at this wall. Look at that. How'd they get all these up there? Who's up there? Oh, Navid's coming down. Whoa. Oh, here's the other side. We got some more carved out statues here. But apparently we can't go all the way up. That's what he said. There's some people all the way up there. And we're going up. Okay. What's that? Look how far up we went. Looks like somebody broke this one. Look at that. Look at everyone down there. Look at all those ants. This is crazy. Everybody down there. There's another one up there. Look how high up we are. There's just a bunch of water bottles out here. That's it? They said there's no view. They lied. There's, you can see outside. Okay, we're up here. They told us you can't really see anything. Look, you can see the whole city out there. Got a thing up there. Lots of plants. So basically this is the heaven spot. You don't end up at the top up there, but yeah.
So pretty much,
Got another statue here.
there's nothing to see, so then they don't cause traffic jam.
Cause traffic jam. There's nothing up here.
Oh my god.
Look, there's another secret stairway here if you can fit. Shortcut, and then you knock people over down. Oh my god, you can't see over those people. Can't see over their head. We took the shortcut under that boulder. Tight squeeze. You're going the other way? Oh, that's because I was just standing up there recording.
Oh, is there something over there?
No, it's the same place we came from.
Yeah, I should go there.
Everybody's now climbing down. We're going down. It's dangerous. These stairs are kind of small. So we're descending into hell. Pretty scary going down here. Look at this. I wonder how many people like fell here and got hurt. It is scary. It's like hecka scary. They got these metal rings for support. You gotta walk like sideways here. But we're pretty much almost down. Oh, he's stuck up there. Okay, we're leaving. I just noticed the ground has spider webs on it. Is this waterfall supposed to be leaking out here? Is this water fountain supposed to be leaking out there? Alright, we're going in this elevator.
You get the views. I'm getting all the views.
How do we go up? Oh, fifth floor only. What kind of fruit is this? So there's some kind of fruits. Okay.
Literally brand. I bought some.
Going up.
반항 가야 되는 거 아니야? 그치?
올라오면 거기 위에는
올라오면
키울 수 있어.
Cool video.
Oh!
Go down.
Elevator trying to kill me.
Maybe you want to go there.
Oh!
Nah, they put a pagoda up here.
All right.
Okay, we're here at the top. Donation box. Place to throw the trash. Oh. Another. Look at this. More of these carvings up here. Going down, another temple's here. Look at this. Look at this bug.
잠깐 기다려봐. 한번 불러볼게. 야, 15개 볼게.
A lion statue here. Wow, so many incense in that one. Look at that. Back here. Okay, look at these.
There's a lot of things.
A lot more here.
Dude, they're waiting on me. Let's go back and we'll keep
Oh, it's not even that high. I think we're already almost down. See, it's not even that high. Oh, it's not that high. They're like at the top point. These stairs are like weird, uneven, so it's easier to go down like sideways. I know, it's not even that high. Why do we waste 15K to go up there? It's just right here already. Yeah, the stairs actually aren't even that high, so this 5 stories thing, it's makes you think it's higher than it is. We're gonna try this. I've never seen this corn milk. Okay, I need one hand to open it, so okay, let's see. It reminds me of the corn jaya. It's good. It's good, tasty. Okay, and then we got this lotus seed milk. That one's good too. I think I prefer the lotus seed milk. Alright, so this is the local Hoi An dish. Let's see what they got. They got some crispy thingies in here. What's that fried thing? Okay, we got this. Looks like pork.
That is,
Pork rind.
yeah, the fried chicken part.
We got this.
That fried thing right there is fat.
Fat.
Yeah.
Some pork fat.
Crispy, yeah. Pork fat.
Can't even get
Crispy
the
pork
rice.
fat. Got some lettuce. What's down there? All those sauces at the bottom.
That's good.
Okay.
That's a good rice.
The local food is cool.
Good noodle.
Some weird noodles.
Interesting noodles. What kind of bird is this?